I'm off to buy alcohol with my new Indian father right here. He's gonna teach me how to buy alcohol in India. I'm super excited. We're gonna be taking a motorbike or motorcycle, and yeah, let's go buy some alcohol. So you guys, we officially made it. Discovery Liquor Warehouse. Okay. So here they only sell hard alcohol. Okay. Here. So what is usually your favorite alcohol? You said Hennessy, right?
It depends on range. I go around 600 to 700 per bottle.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So quite a bit of like imported brands, Absolute Vodka. I don't know. I'm not a big hard drinker when it comes to a lot of this. We got Grey Goose. So what's the price? So one bottle, it's like $30. Grey Goose, yeah, it's about I think $30 US. I don't know how much Grey Goose costs back home. It's been a long time since I bought it. 10 years since I've lived in America, or 11 years. Bombay, Jack Daniels. Yeah, whiskey. Yeah, because before coming to India, I thought that just like a normal kind of convenience store would have pretty much just alcohol, but kind of from what I've noticed, it's like you have these type of stores or just like a wine alcohol store that you go to buy the alcohol. I wasn't expecting that. I thought it'd be a lot more easier to buy. All right, let's go see where my dad went. And I would like to buy you a drink too. Is that okay?
No, it's not.
No, please, let me buy you one. Yeah, so. Yeah, I would like to, I would like to. You guys are a wonderful family, so let me buy you a drink. Because you don't drink beer, right?
Yes, I don't drink.
Okay.
Just like some marriages, day functions.
Okay.
In daytime only.
Okay.
Actually, one bottle costs more, and if you take 3 bottles, it will cost less.
Okay.
It's the funda here.
Okay. So how much is it for 3 bottles?
No, I will. You can buy only 1 bottle for me if you wish to buy.
Yeah, I'd love to buy you 1 bottle.
Okay.
Okay. So, this, okay. Yeah. I follow you. You're teaching me. Yeah?
Okay.
This is okay?
Yes.
Okay. So what is this? Blended malt Scotch whiskey.
Yes.
Okay.
1 bottle cost 1400.
Okay, I'll get that for you. You guys are a great family. You've helped me a lot, and I really appreciate it.
From my side.
Huh?
Beer from my side.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Laser beer or strong beer?
An Indian beer.
All are Indian beers, but you need strong one or light one?
But like, say, Tiger beer, I think is Singaporean.
I don't know.
Yeah, this one I know because they have this where
Pints.
Yeah, so it could be strong or light or both. Or Indian. Do you have Indian beer?
Indian beer, we will sell in a whole case, sir.
A whole case.
Whole case.
So you don't have any like one
No,
Indian
we
beer?
don't have any.
Oh.
But sir, Corona and Hogarden, it's made in Indian, sir.
Oh, it is?
Yes. It's
I thought
Indian
Corona is a Mexican beer.
No, but it's made in Indian, sir.
Whoa.
एक लेनी हो तो ले सकते हैं ना?
ले सकते हैं.
So you're telling me, so the
It's
Mexican.
a made in Indian, sir.
Okay, all right. I gotta see this. I could be maybe it's just me.
Look at the inside, sir. Over here.
Well, all right. I thought that was maybe like a Dutch beer. Really, it's made in India?
It's made in India.
So the Mexicans and the Europeans are lying. Oh man, I'm so upset.
How many bottles you want? How many cans?
I'll just get these 2 and then I'll drink a little bit with you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, you're right. Product of India. Oh my gosh. Who'd have believe it? I come to India and I get Who Garden. Yeah, I'll get one. I'll get
You
Who
want light
Garden.
or strong?
Strong.
Strong.
You like
These
that?
are light. Both is light, sir.
Yeah, this is okay. This is okay. And then the Who Garden as well. Indian beer?
No, it's imported one, sir. It's from Nepal beer, sir.
I'll try the Nepal beer. It's close enough to India.
We have Bhutan.
Yeah, how strong is it?
It's useless. I have tried this. Just a taste of water only.
But this is hilarious. So Corona is made in India. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I can't get over the Corona beer. I feel almost kind of dumb about that. So I've been drinking an Indian beer this entire time.
Then you can take it.
We can see each other. Yeah. First time buying alcohol in India. Okay, we good? Right. Yeah, namaste. What about you guys? Yeah. Taking a quick detour. Oh, I'm talking to the camera. Yeah. You guys can see, yeah. Yeah.
That's only.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Hey, you guys. Oh, you made it eventually. You made it. Hi.
How was it?
Yeah, we got a lot. Yeah, a lot.
Should I keep the beer in the fridge?
Sure. Yeah. If it's a little cool, I might drink one right now.
Okay, 100%.
I don't drink a lot of hard alcohol, so I don't know.
Pizza ke liye. Thank you.
Oh yeah, no problem,
Thank
no
you
problem.
so much, man.
Yeah, was it okay?
It was great.
But compared to Domino's, I know it's different.
It's different, but it's I guess a little healthier.
Okay.
Yeah, it's healthier.
Okay.
Maybe you can take beers a little later.
I'll just do the beer and chai.
Oh no, that's gonna be venomous for the body. We
It-
never take beers with milk, na? Anything milk based.
I'll try it. I'll let you know. Cause my stomach, when I drink, usually my stomach's sometimes a little upset, so it doesn't matter that much. So yeah, so drink chai and beer. I guess it's a no, but it's okay. Is she talking about me drinking?
Yeah, no. She's talking about you talking to us and that she cannot comprehend it completely because.
Yeah. For you guys, because I say yeah, like yes a lot, so she understands when I say yeah. Okay.
As per your requirement.
Oh, nice. बहुत अच्छा.
A little sweet.
No,
Yeah,
sir,
wanna try?
I'm
Try
good. I'm good.
a little bit. Just try a little bit.
Okay, no milk today.
Yeah, not bad.
Oh, it's good. Better than other whiskeys.
Yeah.
Better than Valentine.
Bhavya?
Nah, she doesn't drink whiskey.
No. But we can share. Cause I'll try one of the beers still. Did you want to try the beer?
No.
No. Okay. Okay.
But cheers.
Yeah, Bobby, you can go back. So now we have samosas. This is my first time having a samosa in India. Of the Indian food that I've had, I've probably had like 4 or 5 dishes, and a samosa is one thing that I've had already, but never in India. Ooh, is this the? Ah, that's okay. You showed me this the other day. Okay, so the Jollibee. So the samosa. So we have chutney.
Yes.
And then what is the red one?
That's also another chutney.
Okay. So,
That's a sweet one. The green is.
okay, want to try?
No. Which one is it?
This is a Neapolitan beer.
Nepali beer.
Yeah, try it.
Nepali beer.
Yeah.
Napoleon, not
Napoleon.
From Nepal.
Nepal.
It's a light beer, like easy to drink. Yeah, it's just like it's an easy beer to drink.
Yeah.
That's the beer which was he trying to give you that 1,000, 10,000 something. That tasteless.
Ah,
That's why
okay.
it is it.
Okay. It's a light beer, not bitter. Just a nice, refreshing beer, especially like on a hot day. Alright, so this is my first ever samosa in India. Oh, hot. Oh,
It's pretty hot.
very hot.
Pretty hard inside.
That's, yeah. Ooh.
So big bite.
That's good though. And how much does one samosa here cost? 15.
1.5.
1.5. Wow. So how many did you buy?
6.
Oh, wow. Okay. All right. Let me take a smaller bite. Dipped a little bit better. It's fried, so anything fried, it's like you can't go wrong with that. Oh, it's great.
The guy who sells these samosas also sells samosas in our school canteen.
Okay.
Yeah, so we get when we were in school, we used to get these samosas for lunch from school canteen.
So, would this be a whole meal for lunch?
Not whole meal. Yeah, but if you have like 2 to 3, it will be whole meal.
Okay. And then the jalebi.
Yeah, that's dessert.
And what is the jalebi?
How do I describe? Jalebi, किस चीज़ से बनती है?
Flour.
Refined flour.
Refined flour.
So flour and
FLOUR, flour.
Yeah.
Refined flour.
yeah, I understand. So like sugar, flour, fried.
No, sugar, they make it.
Oh, Dimples, your English I understand. Don't worry, you guys. I understand you both better than you think. I understand very clearly. Yeah.
Then they put it in a cloth and they put
Fermented flour, they fry it in shape of round.
Okay. Yeah.
Then put into the sugar
Yeah.
syrup.
and when it gets browned, it means completely baked, then they put in a sugar syrup.
Okay.
Dip it and then put it out.
Okay.
That's why they
See,
become
even
so
then-
orange when they dip it in the sugar syrup. It absorbs all the sugar. It comes out like this.
They
Okay.
put little color in the sugar syrup, a yellow color, then it's yellow.
Yellow, orange, something.
Okay.
And sometimes it's also served with rabdi,
Yeah.
which you had yesterday.
Okay.
The fluid in which
The glass one. And they
noodles
put
were
ice creams on
dispensed.
it.
Ah. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that
The
sweet
jalebi
fluid,
served
yeah.
that thing.
Okay. So I'm gonna try it. Is that okay?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
Okay. All right.
My plate holds it on.
It's a healthy snack.
Crispy? Is it crispy?
It's very it's very sweet, very crispy, and I feel like when I bite into it, it's like you can get the syrup,
Yeah.
like the gooey. We would say gooey, like the
Gooey is a Vietnamese food.
like a
Dish.
gooey, like the liquid, the oil or sugary syrup inside.
Okay,
Yeah.
got it.
Gooey in
I
the
just
sense
drip some on the
the
floor.
nature of whatever it is.
Okay, I got it.
Oh, it's good. Yeah, super sweet.
I like the beer though.
Have some more.
No. I'll have tea.
Okay.
Let's see. I'll have beer at night with you.
Have you had a Corona beer before?
Yeah.
Okay, because Corona is like
It's a common beer here.
okay. Made in India. So yeah.
मना करती हूँ आज खाने के लिए, आज फिर वहीं चलेंगे dinner पे.
But you can see the like dripping on my fingers. I gotta wash my hands. I got syrup all over it.